In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Palm Beach County. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Palm Beach County Clerk website at mypalmbeachclerk.com. Once you're on the site, look for the court section under departments, then navigate to traffic tickets and the traffic ticket payment options page. This is where you'll find the main information you need before making your payment. As you review the page, pay close attention to the important notices. Traffic ticket payments are generally due within 30 days of receiving the citation. The site also explains that it may take up to 5 business days from the date the ticket was issued for the citation to appear in the online system. So if you don't see your ticket right away, don't worry. Just give it a little time and check again later. You may also notice information about payment plans if you're unable to pay the full amount all at once, as well as details about what to do if a payment is already past due. On this page, you'll see more than one payment method. One option available around the clock is Pay Now Link, which allows payment by credit card, Google Pay, or Apple Pay, and includes a service fee. In this walkthrough, though, we're following the mobile app and online payments option. So go ahead and click that link to continue. This will take you to the Pay It Clerk PBC payment portal. From here, you can either sign in and pay through an account or continue as a guest. If you just want to make a quick payment without logging in, choose the guest option. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Criminal and Traffic Payments. Select that area, then click Explore Service. After that, choose the option to find and pay citations or cases. At this point, the system may guide you through a chat-style prompt. When it asks you to choose a response, select the option that matches your situation. For this example, choose citation number as the way you want to search for your ticket. Next, enter your citation number carefully and submit it. Make sure the number is typed exactly as it appears on your ticket to avoid search errors. After submitting, the system should pull up your citation so you can review the case details and move forward with payment. Before you finish, double check the total amount due, including any service fees shown on the site. Once everything looks correct, you can complete the payment using the available options on the portal. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Palm Beach County.